lighting was right and the breeze calm for 25-meter pistol women, and there were 2 priceless 2012 Olympic Games quota places up for grabs, with 4 out of the 8 finalists eager to win them. People's Republic of China's Chen Ying, who is back in the game after giving birth to her baby girl, entered into the final in first place with a total of 589 points, a 2-point cushion over her competitors. The 2008 Olympic Games gold medalist was untouchable throughout each series. Chen proved to be as strong as ever and hungry to meet the maximum quota places for China. The 2006 world champion finished the final on top with the gold medal and the ticket for the Olympic Games with a total of 794.6 points. Chen Ying's teammate, Wang Jing, wasn't about to be left out of the excitement. The one-time World Cup gold medalist entered into the final in 4th place and proved to be the strongest scoreboard climber of the competition. The 2-time World Cup silver medalist was tied for 4th after the first series and then made her move. After shooting a 51.1 on her 3rd series, she was in 3rd place. One more leap for Wang after shooting a solid 52.3 on her 4th series, overtaking Bulgaria's Antoneta Bonova for silver. Wang finished the final shooting the highest score of the final, a total of 206.3 points, and joined her teammate on the podium with a total of 791.3 points. Bronze medal went to Bulgaria's 2-time World Cup bronze medalist Antoneta Bonova, who fought hard for the silver but missed it by a mere 1/10 of a point on the last series. Bonova finished with her 2nd bronze medal of the World Cup season with a total of 791.2 points. 4th place and the 2nd 2012 Olympic Games quota place went to Germany's 2008 and 1992 Olympic Games bronze medalist Mukbayar Dorsuren with a total of 788.5 points. 5th place went to Mongolia's 2008 Olympic Games silver medalist Gundegma Otriad with a total of 787.1 points. 6th place went to Olena Kostovich from the Ukraine, who just 2 weeks ago won the World Cup gold medal in Sydney, Australia. Kostovich finished with a total of 783.9 points. 7th place went to Bulgaria's 2004 and 2000 Olympic Games gold medalist Maria Grodzeva with a total of 782.3 points. And 8th place went to Georgia's 1988 Olympic Games gold medalist Nino Salukvadze with a total of 778.9 points.